You've been lied to your entire life. Everyone tells you that you need motivation to succeed. But here is the brutal truth. Motivation is a complete scam. Waiting around for motivation is exactly why you procrastinate and keep starting projects only to quit halfway through. Meanwhile, people with way less talent than you are figuring out how to build discipline, and they are winning right in front of your eyes using one secret weapon. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that is, and once you learn this simple mindset shift, you will never abandon another goal again. Let's talk about a guy. We'll call him Alex. Alex didn't come from a rich family. He wasn't born with crazy luck or some rare talent. He was just a regular guy, exactly like you and me. But he completely transformed his life using small, daily steps. If you are currently feeling stuck in life, this story is for you. Alex worked full-time as a delivery driver for a furniture store. His whole day consisted of hauling chairs, beds, and tables into other people's houses. But Alex had a dream. He didn't just want to deliver furniture, he wanted to build it. He learned some basic woodworking from his grandpa back in the day, and he loved everything about it. The smell of fresh wood, the feeling of the tools in his hands. But here was the problem. Whenever it was time to actually start his passion project, he froze. After a long, back-breaking day at work, he'd fall into the trap of instant gratification. He'd tell himself, "I'm just way too burnt out today. I'll definitely start next month." 1 month turned into 2, then 3, and suddenly a whole year went by. His dream was quietly slipping away. Then, one rainy afternoon, Alex was delivering a beautiful solid wood dining table to an older gentleman's house. The whole place was filled with stunning handcrafted wooden furniture, from the bookshelves to the coffee table. Alex was blown away. He couldn't help but ask, "Did you actually make all of this?" The older guy smiled and said, "Yeah, I used to be a delivery guy just like you. Worked all day. But I figured out how to start a side hustle with 0 free time. Now, I run a full-time custom woodworking business right out of my house." Alex was shocked. "Really? How did you pull that off? Where did you find the motivation after working all day?" The man looked at him calmly and said, "I didn't wait for motivation. I relied on discipline. Listen, motivation is like the wind. Sometimes it's there, sometimes it's gone. But discipline is like the solid ground under your feet. It stays. I woke up early every single day and spent just 1 hour building before I had to clock in at my real job. Even when I was dead tired, even when I absolutely didn't feel like doing it, I still did it." That hit Alex like a ton of bricks. It finally clicked. He understood the real truth about discipline versus motivation. He realized that if he wanted to win, he had to stop waiting to feel motivated. He wasn't hyped up. He was just quietly determined. He told himself, "I want that life." That exact night, Alex grabbed a pen and paper and wrote down a simple rule. Wake up at 5 a.m., spend 1 hour in the garage, build small things, 0 excuses. He taped it straight to his garage wall. The next morning, his alarm went off. It was freezing and pitch black outside. His bed was incredibly warm and comfortable. His hand instinctively reached over to hit snooze, but then he remembered the old man's words. He forced himself up. His garage was a mess. He didn't have fancy power tools or an expensive workbench, just some scrap wood, basic hand tools, a dream, and a little bit of grit. He built a small wooden box that day. It wasn't perfect. The edges were a little crooked, but when he held it in his hands, he smiled. It wasn't just an idea anymore. It was real. Alex kept showing up every single day. He didn't focus on massive overnight success. He just focused on getting 1% better every day. Up at 5 a.m., working for 1 hour. Some days were brutal. He'd smash his thumb with a hammer or cut a piece of wood too short. Some days his body ached so badly he just wanted to crawl back under the covers. But he didn't stop. He stuck to the 1 hour rule. 3 weeks later, he had built 6 wooden boxes, a few stools, and 2 small tables. He snapped some pictures and posted them online. Day 1, 0 likes, 0 comments. Day 2, crickets. Day 3, 1 like. Then a single comment. Nice work. It wasn't viral fame, but it was enough fuel to keep him going. A month in, he got a DM. "Hey, are these boxes for sale?" Alex's heart started racing. He typed back, "Yes." He sold his very first piece for $25. It wasn't a lot of money, but to him, it felt like $1 million. That night, he stayed in the garage an extra hour. He built more. He posted again. This time, more likes, more shares. People started asking, "Hey, can you build a bookshelf? Do you do custom tables?" He wasn't getting rich overnight, but something fundamental had shifted. People were noticing his discipline. Of course, the road to success is never perfectly smooth. One evening while working, Alex smelled smoke. An old space heater in the corner of his garage had caught fire. He panicked, grabbed water, and neighbors rushed over to help. They put it out fast, but a lot of his expensive wood and tools were totally destroyed. Alex sat on the concrete floor, frustrated, exhausted, and holding back tears. He thought, maybe this is the universe telling me to just give up. He called the older gentleman who had inspired him. After hearing the story, the man simply said, "Fires are part of the journey. Some will burn around you and some will burn inside you. Don't let either of them stop you." Alex stood back up. He cleared out the burnt mess, replaced what he could, and got right back to work. 3 more months passed. Waking up wasn't a debate anymore. It was just a habit, like brushing his teeth. The orders kept rolling in. He opened an online shop. He was so focused on building his dream that he naturally broke his bad habits and stopped staying up late. Fast forward 1 year. Alex isn't delivering furniture for someone else anymore. He upgraded from a cramped garage to a nice little workshop. He has 2 part-time employees. He isn't a millionaire, but he is entirely free. Free to create, free to build, and free to live life on his own terms. And guess what? He still wakes up at 5 a.m. every day. Because discipline isn't just a routine for him anymore. It's who he is. Now, when Alex shares his story, people always ask him, how to change your life when you have no time or money? He just smiles and says, I stopped waiting to feel ready. I just showed up every single day. On the wall of his new workshop, he has a quote painted in big letters. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. If you're watching this right now and thinking, I have big goals, but I never seem to finish anything, remember Alex. He was exactly where you are. He didn't have extra free time. He didn't have startup capital, and he didn't have elite skills. All he had was a dream and the discipline to see it through. Stop worrying about the final result and just learn to fall in love with the process. Start today. If this video shifted your perspective even a little bit and gave you that spark to finally take action, go ahead and hit the like button. And to keep fueling that drive with powerful, life-changing stories, make sure to subscribe to Mindset Mastery 2.0. Every single week, we're bringing you content designed to bulletproof your mindset and push you toward your ultimate success. Stay strong, keep working on your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.